Mag-harvest tayo ng aloe vera. Okay, one down. So, tapat nyo na dito. Ayan, ka-harvest. Kukunin natin yung laman ng aloe vera. Okay, I'm done and I have collected this much of aloe gel. I think this is approximately 2 cups. Then I use this blender to make it smoother. Any blender will do. It's already frothy and liquefied and now I'm transferring it to a jar. I'll just store this in the fridge. Ayan. Apply generously onto the scalp and to the hair from root to tip. It's the tip. Give me na. Shake it. Okay, spray on Kuya Kenji's hair. Enough. Enough na. Oh my gosh. It's Yumi's turn.
Oh, yeah.
You are so ticklish? Oh my goodness. Is it ticklish? Okay. For better hair results, do this 2 to 3 times a week. Yan. And then leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour and then rinse it during shower. All good, Eunice?